Investing in silver on a monthly basis can be a great way to build up a diversified precious metal portfolio over time. Silver is a precious metal that has been used as currency and a store of value for centuries, making it a popular choice for investors looking for a safe haven asset. Before you start investing in silver, it's important to define your investment goals. Are you looking to build wealth over the long term, protect your portfolio against inflation, or save for a specific financial goal? On the other hand, many people are simply preparing for hard times ahead, whether it comes from economic instability, social unrest, natural disasters, or attacks from other nations. One way to start investing in silver is by setting up a monthly investment plan. By investing a fixed amount of money in silver every month, you can take advantage of dollar cost averaging and avoid market timing, which can be risky and difficult to predict. Watch this short video to get an overview of investing in silver.
Welcome to our guide on monthly silver investments. In this video, we will explore why silver can be a valuable addition to your investment portfolio. Monthly investments help average out market prices, allowing you to buy silver consistently without worrying about market volatility. First, define your objectives. Set specific and realistic investment goals for yourself, such as how much you can afford to invest each month and your desired time frame for holding onto your silver investments. Consider your risk tolerance and investment time frame when setting your goals. Stay informed on market trends. Understanding price fluctuations helps you make educated decisions and anticipate market movements. Before starting your silver investment journey, it's crucial to educate yourself on the basics of investing in precious metals. Understand the different forms of silver investments, such as bullion coins, bars, mining stocks, and ETFs. Learn about the factors that affect silver prices, such as supply and demand dynamics and macroeconomic trends. Determine how much you can comfortably invest each month without straining your finances. Consistency is key. When investing in silver, it's important to choose reputable and trustworthy silver investment options. Options include buying physical silver, such as coins or bars, investing in silver ETFs, or purchasing shares in silver mining companies. Research different options and choose what best fits your investment goals and risk tolerance. Consider setting up automatic monthly investments. This makes the process easier and ensures you don't miss out on buying opportunities. Decide where to store your silver. Options include a secure home safe or a bank safety deposit box to protect your assets. Once you've started your monthly silver investments, it's important to monitor your investments regularly to track your progress towards your investment goals. Keep an eye on market trends, silver prices, and economic indicators that could impact the value of your investments. Starting a monthly silver investment plan can be a smart way to build wealth, protect your portfolio, and diversify your investment holdings. By following these steps and staying informed about the silver market, you can make informed investment decisions and grow your wealth over time.
Starting a consistent silver investment strategy can be a rewarding way to build wealth over time. By following these steps and tips, beginners can empower themselves with the knowledge and confidence to navigate the silver investment market successfully. Remember to stay informed, set realistic goals, and seek professional advice when needed to make the most of your silver investments. If you are thinking about a monthly investment plan and want to obtain physical silver, check out the link in the description. It's a reliable way to acquire silver each month. Starting a monthly silver investment plan can be a wise way to build wealth, protect your portfolio, and diversify your investment holdings.